Can I sell call spreads in Vanguard account? Selling call spreads in a Vanguard account is not possible for most retail investors. While Vanguard allows a range of investment strategies, including the purchase of options, it generally restricts the selling of option strategies like call spreads for standard brokerage accounts. The limitations are primarily due to the firm's conservative approach to risk management and investor protection. Selling call spreads requires a margin account, which some users may not have access to without additional approval from Vanguard's options trading team. For investors with approval to engage in more advanced option strategies, Vanguard offers basic options trading, but the ability to sell call spreads specifically, an option strategy where an investor simultaneously buys a call option and sells another call option with a higher strike price, may not be allowed depending on account status and risk profile. Even in accounts where this is possible, it requires meeting higher standards for margin use, often necessitating a more substantial account balance or relevant experience. Advantages of selling call spreads can include reduced risk exposure relative to outright naked call selling, as the position benefits from limited downside while capping potential upside. This strategy allows for more flexibility in managing risk, especially when the market is expected to move in a limited or uncertain direction. A key advantage is that the premium received from the sale of the short call is offset by the cost of purchasing the long call, reducing the total outlay for the trade. Furthermore, call spreads can be employed in situations where implied volatility is high, maximizing premium collection. On the other hand, selling call spreads also has notable drawbacks. The potential for profit is capped since the short call limits the upside gain of the long call. This strategy is typically more appropriate for a neutral to slightly bullish outlook on the underlying asset. Additionally, selling call spreads may not be suitable for those with smaller account balances, as margin requirements for such trades can be significant, increasing exposure to risk. The main disadvantage remains the complexity and higher capital requirements, which may limit accessibility to all investors.